Life won't sparkle unless you do. Many of us are even skeptical about this. How to stay positive or look on the bright side when there is so much of negativity around? It seems weird. A warm welcome to the first episode of the new series, Positivity Costs Nothing. And today's episode is, what is positivity? Let me ask you this question. Why do we say or we hear, be positive and think positively? Does that mean we all have to be happy always? Or always have to see good in everything? No, right? Then why do we say that we have to be positive? This whole exercise is done to overcome negative thinking patterns which are actually coming from outside and more of inside. When you look at the dictionary meaning of positivity, it's a practice or tendency to be positive and optimistic in attitude. And being positive means being happy from inside. That means certainly to overcome the negative self-talk or negative self-talking patterns is what positivity deals with. We humans are hardwired to look on the dark side first than on the brighter one if something happens good or bad. For example, if you want to buy the product in the market, the first thought that comes to your mind is this product really good? Is it from a trusted brand? And what if it damages soon? And we love to dwell on those negative thoughts and we might not purchase the product or postpone the decision to future. So do we train our mind and brain to do so? Not exactly, right? It happens without our awareness. So now, can we train our mind and brain consciously to think and respond optimistically to the situations? Yes, it is highly possible, right? But as we are going against the human psychology, it takes little more extra efforts every day. But it is possible. And this is what the positivity is. A practice, a tendency, a habit, a pattern of repetitions. Moreover, it's like a muscle because as our brain is built with the neural connections and when we work upon one neuron, say positivity, it gets stronger every time. It's like, it's an idea which rewires your brain, change reality and overcome negative thinking patterns. In fact, the research also proves that positive outlook helps to deal with the situations better in stress and it also reduces its harmful effects on our body. So let's shift from number 1, from negative self-talk to positive one with 3:1 ratio. Yes. 3 positives and 1 negative? Because in reality, it is not possible to live without negative thoughts. So be honest and be gentle to yourself. Encourage yourself and more power to 3s and less power to 1. If the negative thought enters your mind, think about it, evaluate it logically and then respond. Number 2, be mindful. Be calm and composed, and whenever thought comes to your mind, don't label them as good or bad, but just see them as a traffic. Don't disturb or jump into them. Don't invest your time upon them. They will pass by and you will feel more composed and relaxed. And number 3, identify areas to change. Identify the areas that you usually think negatively about. Might be at work or your daily commute or your relationship. Start with small. Focus on one and deal with it in a more positive way. Approach it with more positively. And the bonus tip is, every day 5 to 10 minutes sit aside. No phone, no laptop, no music, no book, no TV, nothing. Just you and your thoughts. Observe them and see if they are really negative mainly, then rewire your brain to think positively, as it is really important, and it says as life won't sparkle unless you do. Thank you.